Hello and welcome back to TV34 Multimedia Productions. This is Tony, and today I'm doing a little first time flight with my Potensic Atom in the actual snow. Fortunately, the snow had stopped falling for a minute when I wanted to get out and just do a quick test to see how the drone was going to fly with all of the snow on the ground and everything, just to see how it's going to look, the quality, and see if there's going to be any type of interference or anything like that with the drone itself. But it looks really good. Everything looks good, as you can see. Beautiful sky. Got plenty of snow out on the ground now. This is in the Detroit area in Southfield. But I just wanted to get out and get a quick test flight and just to see how it looks and see how it hold up in the cold also. The temperature was around between 20 and 25 degrees today, this afternoon, so just wanted to get outside, and as you can see there's a long person walking around out there, but I wanted to get out and just test it out and see how it's going to perform today in the snow and the cold weather. So it looks like it held up pretty good. Like what I'm seeing, the results look good. The horizon is perfect, just the way it should be. Quality of the images look really good, and it's picking up everything pretty good as far as the lights and the darks, so I like the way that looks. Nice. I like the way everything is looking. Now, I didn't do any special settings or anything like that with this particular set. I just wanted to get out and just test it out and see what I came up with and see what the results was going to be. So hopefully you'll like this little video clip that I put together. I'll throw a little background music on there also, and just give you a little flight around in the snow and see what you think. This is really a nice drone. So far I haven't had any complaints with it. Initially there were some problems with the app not working when I would get out and fly it, but so far lately I've did an update to the app itself, and there was a drone update, and I also updated my phone. So far so good. Everything looks really good with it. No issues, no concerns. I'm going to get out again hopefully this weekend and get downtown and try some stuff and see if I can get some really nice footage of the downtown area, out on the island, and the cityscape with all the snow and everything. Hopefully I can get it before the snow melts, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned and keep watching, and again, I hope you enjoy this little piece and have more coming for you very soon. Thanks again for watching.